Welcome back. In this video, I'll basically show you how you can create your own e-com store on which you can sell courses and softwares and tools that you code yourself and you want to sell them. And if you are selling them on your website and you are not getting a good traffic and you are not getting the good sales, you can basically create your own store that I'll basically show you in this video. And moreover, you don't have to code anything and you don't have to pay for anything, literally nothing. You just have to get your tools in the bag and you just have to put those tools in the website that I will show you. You neither have to hire any coder, you neither have to basically pay for the tools. If you are even paying for the tools and you are buying the tools that you have started the new business, so without wasting further more time, let's get straight into it. Alright, so here I am on my main screen. First of all, you see basically the URL sellix.io that you will get in the description. First of all, we are basically going to read each and everything that is here so that each and everything gets clear before getting deep dive into the video. You see, first of all, there is a pricing. There is a free plan for individual and small teams trying out Sellix without limits. So let's get started with this. Click on get started. Anyways, now it is asking for the store name. Let's give it Sype Shop because I already have this store name. You can see it. The store already exists, but it is not Sellix. I have coded it from scratch in Flask Python. And now it is asking for password. Let's use generated password that Firefox generate and then create account. Let's just save it for a while, we may need it. A message has been sent. Let me open it up in my new terminal, in new desktop window, so I can make sure of my privacy. Email. Account validated successfully. Now it is asking for email. We will give the same email that we have given before. Let me zoom in the tab a little bit. We have successfully logged into it. Dashboard.sellix.io. I am here in my dashboard. Perfect. We have done half of the work of half of the headache our covered. Now it is asking for the currency. We are going to use USD, or you can use EUR, Euro, whatever you like. Business VAT percentage. Configure your VAT. This percentage will be added to total cost of your product during the final step of the purchase. Follow the account of your country taxes. It will enable the tax customization. I don't know what is this, but let's leave it as it is. Alright, next step. This is basically a book named The Mountain Is You. Notification. Receive emails when you make a new sale. Tickets. Receive an email when feedback is created. Receive an email. You can customize it regarding you need, but I don't need this about the blog post, etc. I need this. Product updates. Yes, I need this. We suggest that is notified about your business. Next step. Crypto. Now we will have to give the wallet addresses of this. Let me grab my wallet to it. I am on my main screen of my Exodus wallet. Let it load. It takes time depending on the portfolio currencies that you have and the currencies that you have added in your portfolio. So here is my Bitcoin wallet. I am going to click on receive, and basically I am going to tap and copy my wallet address. Bitcoin is copied, and when it is copied, paste it over here. I will paste all at once because I am on my mobile and I will have to send it to my computer via WhatsApp or email. Alright, so here it is the BCH. This is basically Bitcoin Cash address you see on the main screen, and I'm going to click receive on it. I have copied it, and now what was the other currency? Litecoin address and Ethereum also. Let's copy ETH also, Ethereum. Receive. Continue. I copied it, and now time for Litecoin. I don't know if it is here. Let me search. Here we go. Click on receive button. I understand. Continue and copy. And when you copied it, paste it all over here. This is how you will paste all of your wallet address, and this is asking for transaction threshold. You can accept payments even if you haven't received the full amount. Choose a percentage if the payment has been received within this range. Will be automatically flagged as completed. Example threshold 10%. You received $9 of your $10. This order is complete anyway. The threshold is not overpaid order. When if you receive more than what you need, the payment is processed. How much should be the threshold? 14%. Next step, terms of services. Skip step. Select a country, and here is my dashboard. You see how cool it looks like. It can basically help you each and every steps. Affiliate link. You know about affiliate marketing. If you don't, you can take my course for it. But anyways, you can also link your credit card and PayPal, but we will just enable the cryptocurrencies. Set up cryptocurrency. Connect addresses of the following. We have connected already, so we don't need to connect it again. Okay. Swaps. Anyways, we are done at this point. We have basically used these cryptocurrencies, these 4 cryptocurrencies. You can add more. Monero is my favorite one. You can also try to add this, but I am going to make this video as shorter as possible. But anyways, you can try these steps yourself as well. Let me go to my basically the store name and see if already exists or not. Missing theme. So it just says that the store basically exists and we need to basically create our store theme and etc etc. Now let's design our theme for our store. Customize your theme. Explore. Basically I am going to just use default one. You see how cool this is. Basically each and everything is already available there. You don't have to work too much hard for finding a developer and then making changes to the store. Just a ready-made template, ready-made theme. Just need to set as active. Now let's visit it back. Let me copy it. Here you see I saw my shop name. I can see it. Providing customer service since August 2023. Product quality 0 reviews. Contact set a product. I basically need to add each and everything here, but I haven't added anything. Trusted advisor, feedback, everything is basically here. But let's now first of all create our first product. Create product. Start selling digital goods, services or anything you want to buy. Create a coupon. No, I just want to create this product title. I will create it as Dragon Mailer. And now it is asking for the description, asking for the images. We uploaded our images. YouTube link, no link. Pricing, single payment, pay what you send, pay what you want. Now we have to add the payment here. I said $200. Add price discount. Yes, let's add it. Product. Now we will have to upload our Dragon Mailer here. I am basically just uploading the same image here. It is just for testing. I will remove each and everything that you see here. Maximum quantity. Show how many this file can be sold. No, I just don't want to sold this. Payment methods. Which payment method you want to set? I want to set this this. I will basically connect Stripe later. And which one we have added another one, and Ethereum, where it was. Can you find it? Yeah, here we go. Discord integration. Enable Discord. Check this option. Enable this customer will be able to authenticate with their Discord account at checkout. You will have to add this option to put them. Servers will apply apply custom role. I have no idea about this, but if I enable, let's see if it is asking for any option. No, I am not going to connect my Discord. And now account additional details. Unlisted. The product won't be displayed on your store, but still can be accessed via a direct URL. Yes, if you unlist it, you won't be see your product that you have uploaded over here, but anyone with the URL can access the product. We don't want this private. This product will be removed from your shop, and customer will be not be able to use the direct link either. Why the purpose is of selling something that is private, only you can see and customer cannot see? I don't understand this option, why they have created this. On hold. If checked, this product will be displayed on your shop, but customers won't be able to purchase it. No, not at all. Watermark custom text. Enable the watermark feature. Yes, I want to edit. Site shop. Alright. Referral link. Customer will be redirected to this link after the invoice has been paid. Yes. I want to redirect them to this website. Product describe no, I don't want this. Warranty note, delivery text. When your user pays and receives your product, he will also see this text. Yes. Thanks for purchasing. This website is like a masterpiece. You see each and everything you can add yourself. Each and every detail you see here you can add it, and this is basically will be sent you to via email. The product itself will be sent you via email. The picture that I have uploaded, I should have to upload the exe file, but it is just for demo, so I am going to upload just this. Maximum detection score. Please note that selling this to 0 will block every sale. Alright, I set it to 97. Volume discount, no. Custom field, no. Webhook URL, no. Alright, so here you can add your webhook URL. It will basically send you some custom updates that if you want to add, but I don't want to add it. You can explore each and everything. Nothing is going to happen. You can create another account with it, but let's just create a product and see if it appears on our page or not. Created successfully. Product created successfully. You see, impression 1, and this was me who visited here. And let's reload it again. You see here my dragon mailer has came and image is also coming. My bad, I basically added $200 price and 50% discount on it. Meanwhile, I wasn't going to add a discount of even 1%, but I added it. And if I see the software they use, this is the same description that I added over there. I select only one quantity. Why will I select multiple quantities? And I click on continue, and I selected Bitcoin, and I click on continue. Yes, you see it is asking for email. This is the same email that basically you will have to give on which you want to receive the product. I have agree, and let me click on terms and service. Alright, and let's see what it gives me. I'm not basically go to payment. I just want to show you everything over here. So I will have to pay or scan the QR code. Once I will send the $100, it will be confirmed. My Sellix.io or cryptocurrency payment gateway are basically work in this way, that it generates a new wallet address for per customer. So if suppose this wallet address is generated for me, this wallet address will not be generated for you. Every customer will get a unique wallet address. Why? Because if I send money to this wallet address and you also send to this wallet address, how will the payment gateway will know that that I have paid the money or you have paid the money, right? So this basically works in this way. If everyone gets the unique wallet address, if I give the $100 to it, it will instantly identify that this person gave $100. And if you are getting another wallet address, then it means that you will be paying $100. Once you paid, you can copy it from here and see on blockchain that if your transaction has been done or not. Once it is done, it will redirect you to my page and you will basically receive the items via email. That was it for the today's video, and make sure that you keep the store name as short as possible, as unique as possible. Also, make sure that you keep the store name memorable. In this way, every visitor will remember your store name, and make sure you don't do scam at any cost at all. Scamming is prohibited, and if you keep on scamming, this basically store domain reputation will basically drop, and this is not good because developers work hard to create such tools for you, and if you keep on using it for your own selfishness, then it is like too bad to make videos like this for you guys. You understand? And this is free, and if you are basically trying to scale your business, you can basically select the $30 per month plan. I will recommend you that once you scale your business. And you might be thinking that I have my own e-com store, but why I need this? You are absolutely correct. I indeed have my own e-com store on which I sell software and tools. You might have visited that. But the problem with that is there is no good payment gateway processor, if you have noticed that. And basically I have hired some developers for it. They have indeed implemented the payment gateway processor, but it was not working to my requirements as I had requirements with that. And they were indeed charging a lot of money. I don't have enough money. I haven't even made a penny with this shop, so why should I pay them money? This is the reason why I came to the free platform, where I am getting each and everything by scratch, already build it up. I just need to upload the products that like you do on admin panel. You buy the domain, you go to your admin panel, you upload the products description and each and everything. Website, you are already doing this. You are already getting your admin panel on which you can see your invoices, you can see your visitors, each and everything you are going to see on just a one particular place or a dashboard. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this website. If you have liked this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.